Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 10 Science Chemistry lesson number 1 Chemical Reactions and its Equation. In this video we are going to learn about the types of chemical reaction. At the same time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon as well like button. Now types of chemical reaction. Previously we discussed what is chemical reaction, why we want to balance the equation, everything. There are the 5 different types of chemical reactions are there. The first one is combination reaction, the second one is decomposition reaction, third one is displacement reaction, the fourth one is double displacement reaction, fifth one is redox reaction. There are the 5 reactions are there: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement and redox reaction. There are the 5 different types. What is combination? We have to discuss each and everything in detail. Combination means, combination is nothing but here the reactant side numbers will be more. 2 or more reactants are combined, it produce single product. Product will be only one, but reactants may be more, 2 or more, but the products will be only one. So many reactants are combined, it produce only one product. That reaction is called a combination. Then decomposition is opposite of this combination. Here reactants is one, reactant is one only, but it decompose, it convert into many, 2 or more products. That is called decomposition. Then displacement and double displacement, it is occur based on the reactivity series. High reactivity metals or displace the low reactivity metals, and that place they are gone occupy. That is everything we will discuss later. Next, what is combination reaction? This is the definition. Those the reaction in which 2 or more reactants to form a single product, that is called a combination reaction. These all are example given in your textbook, so I explained that only. Here I am giving A plus B gives to AB. Here you notice this A plus B, these 2 are reactants, but we are getting only one single product, that is called AB. Suppose if you are taking 3 different reactants A plus B plus C, we are getting the product ABC. So this is called a combination. So example, this is the book examples, you just see magnesium react with oxygen, it is called a magnesium oxide. So magnesium ribbon, it is there in your lab. So when we burn, the combustion reaction is happen. When the magnesium react with atmospheric oxygen, it produce magnesium oxide along with light as well as heat will be produced. So this is the magnesium oxide reaction. This is very important question also. Right. So now you see you have to balance the equation also. I told how to balance. You see here you have to balance like this, 2mg 2o, automatically your equation is balanced. Next equation is hydrogen react with oxygen, it produce water. H2 plus O2 gives to H2O. But here you see number of hydrogen is 2, number of oxygen is 2. But number of hydrogen here 2, but oxygen is 1. So we have to balance the equation. If I add here, so 4 hydrogen, here also 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. Equation is balanced. This is the second equation. Third one is CaO, that is a calcium oxide react with water. Calcium oxide react with water, it produce calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH twice, that is a whole square. Along with that it produce heat. So this CaO is called quicklime. CaO is called quicklime and it is converted into CaOH twice, that is called salt lime. So quicklime is converted into salt lime. This is the solid. So when we add the quicklime into the water, if we touch the container, we feel some heat outside, it produces heat outside. So this is the great example of combination reaction. At the same time, heat is producing outside. When we touch the container, you are taking the small piece of calcium oxide, put it inside the water. After some times, after dissolved nicely, you touch the container, you feel some hot. So that is, it produced heat outside, it evolved heat outside. This reaction is called exothermic reaction. Exo means outside, thermic means heat. The heat is evolved outside. Thus reaction is called exothermic reaction. So the combination reaction, all the combination reactions will not produce heat. Combination reactions produce heat outside. Those combination reactions are called exothermic reaction. Example, calcium oxide plus H2O gives to calcium hydroxide plus heat will produce. Same like that, magnesium plus oxide gives to magnesium oxide. You can write another example also, that is not a exothermic. C plus O2, carbon plus oxygen gives to carbon dioxide. Suppose you want to write another example also, I can write here. NH3 plus HCl gives to NH4. This is the ammonium chloride. We are getting ammonium chloride. Next one is carbon plus oxygen gives to carbon dioxide. Sulfur plus oxygen gives to sulfur dioxide. These all are examples of combination reaction. Next we are going to discuss about decomposition reaction. Next we are going to discuss the decomposition reaction. As I have told already the definition, this is the opposite of the combination reaction. In the combination reaction, reactants are two or more combined to produce a single product. But here, single reactant break down, decompose means it break itself and produce two or more products. That is called, that reaction is called decomposition reaction. Again I repeat, one reactant decompose itself and produce two or more products is called decomposition reaction. Now we are going to see the definition. Those reaction in which the single reactant breaks into two or more product, that is called decomposition reaction. Here the equation, this is the book equation. CaCO3 is nothing but calcium carbonate. When the calcium carbonate is heated, this is the triangular symbol mentioning of heat. We are giving heat, we are adding heat. So when we heat calcium carbonate, it converted into CaO plus carbon dioxide. Already we know that what is CaO. CaO is nothing but a quicklime. It is calcium carbonate is converted into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. You have to see the equation is balanced or not. The equation is balanced. Now this reaction, here you see this is reactant is only one. It is break itself, due to heat it break itself, it converted into two products of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. This is the one example of decomposition. Next one we are taking BbNO3 twice. So BbNO3 means Bb for lead nitrate. Lead nitrate, while we are heating, it converted into lead oxide plus nitrous dioxide plus oxygen gas will be produced. Here two gases are evolved, one is nitrous dioxide, another one is oxygen. Here the nitrous dioxide, it produced the reddish brown color. This is very important question, children. You take a note of it. So the reddish brown color vapor will come outside. We come to know that is the lead nitrate is heating. So here you see this is the only one reactant, or due to heating it converted into lead oxide and nitrate. This is also example of decomposition. Here you have noticed these two equation, one is common. What is that? The heating. Heating is done by both reaction. Normally the decomposition reaction, some of the decomposition reaction occur due to heating only. Those decomposition reactions are called endothermic reaction. In combination reaction we learned that exothermic reaction because it is evolved heat outside, but here heat or produce, heat or added, heat only convert or heat only decompose into products. So that's why this is called endothermic reaction. What is endo means inside, thermic means heat. Heat we are giving inside. That is called endothermic reaction. This is the major. What is the difference between combination and this means all the combination reactions will not produce heat. That also keep it in your mind. At the same time all the decomposition reaction also not required heat. Clear? Next we are going to discuss the decomposition are classified into three types. One is thermal decomposition, second one is photochemical decomposition, then third one is electrolysis. All three is very important. Again I tell, thermal decomposition, first one is thermal decomposition, second one is electrolysis, third one is photochemical. Thermal, electrolysis, then photochemical. There are the three different type of decomposition reaction is there. The thermal decomposition example is calcium carbonate when it is heated. Thermal means heat. When we apply heat, the calcium carbonate is converted into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Same, lead nitrate is converted into lead oxide and nitrogen dioxide along with that oxygen by the help of heating. These two are example of thermal decomposition. It is also called exothermic reaction. Clear? Next, we have to discuss what is electrolysis. This electrolysis is nothing but when we passing the electric current, that reactants break itself and produce two different substances. That is called electrolysis. For example, I am taking water here. When we apply electricity, that is a current when we pass, it converted into H plus and O2 minus. So this reaction is called what? Electrolysis. So water, when we pass the electric current, it converted into hydrogen and oxygen. This is example of electrolysis. Again I write, water, when we pass electric current, it converted into hydrogen and oxygen, but we have to balance the equation. So this is the balanced one. Clear? So next one is photochemical reaction. What is mean by photochemical reaction? Means photo means light. With the help of sunlight, that substances is change into another substances. So the chemical reaction is happen due to sunlight. That reaction is called a photochemical reaction. Here I told already decomposition, some of the reaction heat is needed. Here also heat is required. So the photochemical reaction example is silver chloride. So the silver chloride is it, silver is silver color. When we keep under the sunlight, it converts into silver plus chloride. We have to balance. So this silver color is converted into grey color due to, this is that photographic film also we can decompose by this only. Silver chloride is converted into silver and chloride. This reaction is example of photochemical reaction. Photo means sunlight. With the help of sunlight, it can break the reactant into two products. Silver chloride converted into silver and chloride. In this video, we discussed two reactions, that is a combination as well as decomposition. Decomposition, three types we discussed, that is a thermal decomposition and electrolysis, and third one is photochemical. Why we are telling decomposition is an endothermic reaction, why we are telling combination is a exothermic reaction, everything we discuss. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.